Hi. 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 You wanna go out? Come here. Out. Hi. Beautiful morning. Sunny. Sunny today. It's 8:50 in the morning, guys. Tingnan nyo, kalat ko dito. I'm working on my seeds. Meron akong, seedlings na sila kasi tumubo na. Yan, oh. Ang dami kong natutunan when it comes to planting. Anyway, once this grown, ililipat natin sila, guys. Ang tagal nito mag-grow. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Ano to? Shasta DC. Ang tagal niya. Sobrang liit pa rin hanggang ngayon, oh. And some of these seedlings are like violas, ano yung isa, nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. Meron ako dito marigold, meron ako dito, nakalimutan ko na yung iba. This one is freesia, this one is marigold, ito yung zinnia. Yung mga flower pala natin, guys. Oh, lumabong lumabong dito yung flower ko na. Ako talaga yung nagtatrabaho nito 24/7. 24/7. But here, oh, wala na, nagko na sila, guys. It was so very little before. Like, before. Sobrang liit nito. And then, yung rose ko, lumabong na rin. Tingnan nyo, dumami na yung kanyang stems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dalawang stems lang yan nung nakaraan. But now, I got 6. Oh. Diba? Super, super cute. And then, meron na naman akong nag-start na naman ako mag-dig nito, guys. Ang hirap niya gawin. I mean, like, kasi tinatanggal ko yung mga sods, yung grass ba. Kasi nilalagay na namin sa kabilang bahay yung mga grasses. Sobra niyang deep na. Yung mga roots niya, like, as in, it's very stabilized, or ano tawag nito, yung roots niya talaga nasa ground na deep na. Ang hirap na niyang kunin. But ito yung rose sa labas, sa front yard na nilipat ko dito, guys. Nainis ako kasi sobrang kumapal siya and hindi na siya maganda tingnan sa front yard. And yung isa, ito rin, rose din yan. But I'm so amazed. Tingnan nyo, patay to nung nilipat ko, guys. As in, like, lahat na ng dahon, as in, nagpatay na siya. But now, nagsilabasan yung mga ano niya. Ayan, oh. Ang dami. Ayan, oh. So, buhay na yan. For sure. Anyway, it's sunny today, which is good. Meron akong appointment today. Sobrang kalat ng ating back porch. But, yan talaga yung mangyayari kapag we're still working our yard. It's okay. Ito namang climbing rose natin. Ayan na, guys. Humaba na yung kanyang stem. Climbing rose nga talaga to. Are you done, Kali? You done? Almost 9 in the morning. Meron ako appointment today, guys. This is very ano ba tawag nito? Tagal ko na itong pinaplanuhan last year pa. Like, I think December. I was planning on doing something on my hair last December. Pero hindi namin nagagawa because hindi ko nagagawa kasi sobrang busy. Like, yun yung time na nag-move kami dito. And then, ang tawag nito, basta ang daming nangyari. But anyway, since tomorrow is my birthday, I was like, okay, I think deserve ko naman to. So I am having a hair appointment at 10 this morning. Meron akong kulay dito, guys. Hindi ko alam kung it will be the same like the way they do. Like, yung nakaraan kasi, guys, yung buhok ko, I have like, ano bang tawag nun? Meron silang term nun eh. Parang hindi naman siya highlight, pero like may ibang color na, ay hindi kasi ako expert when it comes to hair. But yeah, nagpakulay ako ng buhok nung nakaraan pa, guys. And then, it's been, I think, 2 years na ever since I got that. Or almost 3 years. So, ito yung natural hair color ko na talaga, like, kind of brown, black. Thinking about getting this hair color, hindi ko alam kung it will matches my skin tone. Kasi I was like trying to figure out kung ano yung mas match because I don't know, you've seen me in the video na I look like white there but I'm not really white, I'm morena. 8:58. Malapit lang ata. Diyan lang mga 20 minutes drive. May binili ako yesterday kasi laging nawawala yung aming suklay. Hindi ko alam. Pinlash ata sa toilet. Laging nawawala yung suklay namin dito, guys. And we went to Five Below. Sobrang mura doon. It's my kind of store. Yung Five Below kasi sobrang mura. Like, you get this. This is like 4 pieces of comb for $2. Saan ka makakabili ng $2 here? Tapos 4 pieces na, diba? And then meron akong ibabalik sa store din. Kasi itong bumili ako phone case yesterday. Hindi pala siya kasya. Sabi niya compatible siya sa iPhone 15 Plus. Hindi naman pala. While waiting, mabilis lang yung asawa ko, guys. Ihahatid lang naman ako. Hindi yun maghihintay kasi this will takes 3 hours. Sabi, nung nagpunta kami doon kasi doon ako nag-appointment, hindi ako tumatawag. Kasi hindi ako sure. Nagpagupit ng buhok yung asawa ko noong Wednesday. And then, while I was there, nagpa-book na ako ng appointment mismo sa salon. So, where are the... Naglalot pa nilangaw. Bakit nakasugod? Lagi sa lun. Anyway, wala akong coffee. For the past 3 days, wala akong coffee. Naubusan akong Nescafe 3-in-1. So, wala akong choice kundi mag-hot chocolate muna. Pero, paparating na yung in-order ko from Amazon. Nag-order ako ng Nescafe 3-in-1. Ang bilis maubos ng 3-in-1, guys. Kasi 3-in-1 is life. Basa pa yun. So, naligo ako kasi I don't know if what they're gonna do. Honestly, I have a little bit confusion kasi I was looking at their website, yung mga ginagawa nila sa hair nila, guys. I was a little bit like, ganito ba talaga? Like, okay. So, like, they have their own term here when it comes to, like, working on your hair. And, yung price nila din, big difference. Or, not big difference ba? Yeah, may kamahalan siya compared sa Pinas. That's why nga, if only malapit sa Pinas, I'll go to the Philippines. I'll choose Philippines. Kasi mas makamura tayo sa Pinas compared dito. I'm a little bit scared of the outcome of this thing. Kasi I had this black hair for a year already since I left the Philippines. Good morning. And that's where Nicole get it. Nicole always said, I will talk to her and she was like, and she got it from you.
Well, I'm like, get the point. What's your point?
My point is, there's no point.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm not fully awake. I don't have coffee.
There's coffee?
No, I have hot chocolate.
You know, 20 years from now,
yeah, I would be.
You're going to be having a conversation with Nicole.
And
she's going to go, and you're going to go, you got that from my father.
That's very true. Whenever I heard her saying that, I was like, I hear that from Bill every time. Like, you're like him.
Actually, 30 years from now.
What?
When you're sitting there with your great-grandchildren.
Oh, no. Are we talking about, like, little babies?
Yeah, because 30 years from now, she'll be 43. She'll probably have grandchildren by now.
Uy, nakikita nyo guys! I love my hair. We are done. Tapos na ako sa aking hairdo. Mamaya, kita ko sa inyo mabuti guys. Andito kami sa Longhorn Tavern. Kasi sobra akong naguguto. Hello, feeling beautiful kay ko today. Guys, we are in Longhorn. Steak.
So what do you want?
So I want the steak.
Get one starch and one veggie.
I want steak and I want...
Baked potato, sweet potato, mac and cheese, fries, or mashed potatoes.
I'll just get fries. You don't have
Corn, green beans, mixed veggies, salad, or fried okra.
salad. Hello guys, I like my hair so much. Yun yung inspiration ko sa... Well, meron palang ano, merong music dito. Alright. Okay. Thank you.
Enjoy.
You can tell it's very soft and tender. You want some?
Okay. For you.
Oh my gosh. Mm.
Good?
Yeah. Very soft. So you said to me, this is good for the steak, this one.
Oh, you might like it.
Might. You're not sure. Maybe. I'll just put a little and try it because I'm not really sure. You know what I need? Salt and pepper.
Right there.
Because I haven't tasted any salty thing here. And then this is pepper. Win a lottery? Are we winning? Winning lottery? Ha.
We would have to buy a ticket for that.
Mga buang lang daog lottery. Yun, mas prefer ko makikita siya ng maayos, guys. Okay. So I was like a little... We're home, by the way. I'm a little like surprised with the outcome of my hair today kasi I wasn't expecting na, ay, maganda, babe, thank you. I already said thank you earlier. Pero I'm really, really happy with my hair today. Like, look, na-realize ko pala like before kasi like, maganda talaga pag long hair. But then na-realize ko, I think sa face ko, guys, mas match sa akin yung ganito lang yung hair ko. Like, hanggang dito lang yung hair. Look what they've done. Well, her name is... I forgot. My gosh, I forgot. But, yeah, whenever I go back there, I'm gonna find her if she's still there. But, yeah, her name is Cory. She is so nice. Very young. Talkative. She talk and talk. And ito naman... nahihiya ako, but yeah, she's really doing great with my hair. Tingnan nyo guys, so yan, as in kuha niya yung inspiration picture kasi meron ako dito, pinakita ko yun kanina guys. Ito yung sabi ko gusto kong ganito. So ang tawag pala dito is balayage. Very, very, very similar siya talaga. And she curled my hair as well before I left. Sabi niya, sige, curl natin yung hair mo para mas lalong gumanda. It's really nice. I love it. Look. Anyway, meron akong partial today, guys. Binilhan ko siya ng shorts. Tingnan nyo naman. Binili ko to sa etong short na to para sa asawa ko to sa Amazon. Wrangler. Kasi pag ito, hindi talaga yan bibili. Alam niyo ba yung asawa ko, guys? So funny. Ayaw talaga niya bumili. As in, ayaw talaga niya bumili. So, binilhan ko na. Ako ang bibili. Kasi, guys, mas yung asawa ko, like, bahalag na nga daot na dira, bahalag na nga fade na yung gipang suot siya. No, it's still okay. Okay, paghapon. Okay. Unya na ako ni open. Last night, mamaya. Ito. At buksan natin ito. Kasi meron package. Dalawa to. Actually, meron pa akong isa. Paparating na. Isa. Alam ko na to. Hindi na to surprise kasi ako yung nag-order nito eh. Tadadan, tadadan. Akala ko sa Lunis pa ito dadating. Coffee! Nescafe 3-in-1. Sabi ko sa inyo, pasta Nescafe 3-in-1. Tadaan! Tadaan! Ito isa. Sobrang tagal namin kanina, guys. Like, I think, mga more than 5 hours. Umalis kami ng mga 9:45 or 9:45 kami umalis. Or siguro mga 9:40 kami umalis ni husband kanina. And then, like, natapos kami sa buhok, like, mga 5 hours. Sobrang tagal yung buhok. But, it's definitely worth it. Like, hindi na ako, like, paulit-ulit na ako, guys, kasi hindi na, ang galing niya mag-curl ng hair din. Sana meron akong talent na ganyan na marunong mag-curl ng hair. Anyway, sana magkasya to sa asawa ko. Like, meron siyang wrangler dito, hindi niya kasya. Sabi ko, bilhan kita ng short. Uy! Ano na ako masuot? Kasi, guys, yung asawa ko hindi yan bibili. Pag hindi niya ito ma-fit, ibalik na nito. Wrangler gray color. Yan. Yan. Sana magkasya to, guys. Meron siya dito, yung isa, hindi na kasya. Pero pag hindi to kasya, return. Baka kasi malaki, kasi may review na malaki. Anyway, ito naman sa Shein to galing. Na in-order. Sobrang tagal dumating. As in. Like, my gosh, more than 2 weeks ata to. Hindi ko alam saan ito galing. Bakit ang tagal? This one. Ay, dumating sa birthday. Baka ito na yung susutin bukas. Labahan ko muna. Wow. Hala, nice man. Day siya. Bumiling ba? Meron akong... Ay, sana hindi ito malaki, dahil kaya akong i-order kay 8, size 8. Sana hindi ito malaki, no? Sandal. Sandal na... Ay, dako man dyan siya. Uy, size 8 na gani. Dako gihapon. My goodness. Ay, I don't like it. Malaki siya. Ay, gusto ko pa naman yung ano niya. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Size 8 na nga yung 39 ako eh. Size 39 ako. Size 8 na nga yung kinuha ko. Malaki pa rin. Kaya dito, guys. Hinihan ko siya ng jumper. Hala, mayroon pala akong exciting announcement. Uy, ginao ko nga nung dako man nga size. Nga size 10 na gan. Size 10 dako pagyapon. It's okay. Meron akong exciting announcement. Matutuloy na talaga siya. Like, super matutuloy. Like, I'm so excited. So, anyway, yung asawa ko, like, he had something going on sa Arizona. Pupunta kaming Arizona, guys. And magkikita kami ni Ann. So, we are so excited kasi it's been like more than a year since the last time na nagkita kami. Yung last namin na kita is yung, I think, before she left to USA. So, ano yun, umalis siya, like, I think yung last namin na bonding together is yung nagpunta kaming Davao for our CFO. Yun. And then, my gosh, more than a year na talaga na hindi kami nagkita. And this time, this will be very, very fun and exciting kasi mamimit ko din, of course, na-meet ko na si Lawrence, na-meet ko na yung anak ni Lawrence isa. Pero yung si Baby Al, hindi ko pa na-meet. So, first time namin mamimit. Of course, the kids will be with us. The 4 of us will be traveling to Arizona. Belle, me, the kids as well. We're gonna meet them. I'm so excited. Perfect siya. Birthday gift. Birthday gift. Travel. Pang birthday gift na travel. Hindi, ayoko mag-celebrate ng birthday kasi parang tatanda na ako eh. Saan ko ito buksan? Ay, tutoy. So, bumili ako ng ganito. Silicone na nipple pad. Kasi guys, hindi naman kalakihan yung ating tutoy. nipple pad is enough. Anyway, itong sandal na to, parang okay naman. Yung mata ko lang siguro, like, huh? Where did you go today? Where did you go today? Where did you go today? Asa mo pengon?
Somewhere.
You can just tell me where. You don't have to tell me.
Mom, why would you do that to your hair?
What? What's wrong with my hair? You don't like it?
No.
No, pawaw guys. Daddy gini nga. Ano ki daddy go? It was really, really good earlier. Kaya katong kulot pa siya na nice na kulot. Ah, it was so nice. Pero karon murag nag no. Kikulot
Guys,
na
masaya
itong
ko guys. Ready?
kikulot na itong bayi nga nag sa akong buhok. She is so good. I won't forget her name.
Kurot na.
Ako na.
Wala na ako nag-inom.
Uli ka. Nagkaon na mo?
Eh, kainom ako.
I'm asking if you're eating already.
My coffee.
Magkapi-gapi.
This is my wife.
Huh? Hindi na piali. Sorry, kape. Basig tagurha po si isang adlaw. Hindi ang bilis maubos kasi I drink two times. Dalawahan guys in a day. Are we gonna watch a movie? Are we gonna watch a movie? Babe, she doesn't like my hair.
Okay.
Nicole doesn't like my hair.
So?
She's like,
Uy!
You know whose opinion matters?
what? Yours. Mine. Oh, diba? If I like it, then bring it on. Bring it on.
Bring it on.
Bring it on. Yashli, asan ang cellphone?
Nandun.
Give it to me.
Dala.
Mag-clean na ako. Kuko. Kaya look at my kuko. Ganda ng buhok, pero ang kuko. Guys, I went out. Ha? Wala lagi. I was out today in my garden again. Kaya nagbugkal na po ko sa mga grasses, sods, and everything. So, yung kuko ko, normal, pag nag-garden ka guys, huwag mo na i-expect na super nice ng kuko. And I'm thinking, kasi yesterday I went to Best Buy naman. I went to Five Below ba. Then I got this nail set na battery thing panglinis. And bumili din ako ng fake nails. Ang problema, yung fake nails na nabili ko, walang kasamang glow.
Gapalit ah.
So hindi super perfect pa naman niya, guys. As in ka-match niya yung aking
Gapalit ka?
nails. Wala nga. Ana gani ko nga wala yung ikaw ba na glue fake nails. But well, I just wanted to clean it. Just clean it for now. I'm gonna
Di ko na ako. Pair.
What?
Di pair na ako.
But it's my birthday
Sa size.
tomorrow. But you know what's funny? Like, people from the Philippines are already messaging me saying,
Birthday.
happy birthday. But, yeah, because today in the Philippines, it's my birthday. But since we are here in Texas, tomorrow po ang birthday, guys. I'm getting older. But
Oh
anyway,
yeah. Nakatong pair sa nails. Di ko na ako. Nag-match na.
naigo niyo.
Ang blue na lang.
I'm going to buy you, swimsuit.
Huh? No?
Dili
Why
na may
di ko
cover.
masan-
There's a cover.
No, di ko masan.
There's a cover. Before, nagsusuot pa yan ng swimsuit nung yung birthday ko.
Iwan man ko sa una.
29 ako na nagpunta kami yung beach.
Iwan mo ko sa una.
Iwan, pamangyabong ka. My gosh, do you think you're fat?
93 pounds na
Baliw.
ako.
Huh?
So proud. 93 pounds na ako.
You're still slim, my goodness.
93 pounds na ako. That's...
Ayaw niya magsuot ng swimsuit kasi mataba daw siya. Hindi naman.
Oh.
Look! Kasi yung taba dyan. Kagamay ni mo.
Bloated!
Bloated. Malamang kaumang ka.
Kapag.
Ako, suoto na ako mga swimsuit na swimsuit. Mahilig talaga ako.
Kanta-kanta ko ganun na. You should have heard me.
You did?
Yeah.
You did?
Right.
You and Yashli?
No,
Sing?
ako lang. Ga-headphones ko.
Here?
Yeah, ga-headphones ko.
Oh, I thought you were seeing a
So,
microphone.
Ga-headphones
Anyway,
ko. Gakanta ko.
I'll be vlogging tomorrow another video, guys, for my birthday. I'll be doing separate video for that. As if special. Wala naman. Like, I don't know what's the plan. They went out today to buy something for me tomorrow. Huh? Eh, ano ba si daddy nga po yung cookie para mo palit. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong binili nila. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And I'll be vlogging tomorrow for my birthday, guys. Again, di siya special. But I'm so grateful. So, thank you guys for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.